Hello, welcome to CEN4801 Systems Integration. Systems thinking and systems practice is not a new concept. Looking at the surrounding environment, you can see lots of systems that we are dealing with on a daily basis. The transportation system, the electrical grid system, the water system, the sewage system, all these systems exist already, and we've been dealing with those for a long time. Within those systems, there are subsystems and sub-subsystems. Uh, Part of the course, or this course, will be addressing systems integration. And in this course, the studies, we're going to study the process of integrating different software systems and applications into an organization. So basically, we are concentrating on the IT related systems. Hardware, software, networking, anything that's required for the organization from an IT point of view. Database system, those are the type of systems that we will be addressing in the system integration course. It covers issues with integrating software systems in a large organization, including developing requirements, security, interoperability, business process documentation and support, and testing and maintenance. So those are the topics or the issues that we will be concentrating on. This lecture will provide a brief summary of course requirements and course expectations. My name is Professor Yusuf and I will be your instructor for this course. So please feel free to contact me via email, phone, or through virtual office hours using Skype at or during the office hours assigned. Please take the time to view, read, and understand all provided material. 99% of your questions are addressed in the syllabus and the documents that's been provided under course information. Again, if you have any other questions, I will be more than glad to assist you and answer your questions. My office hours are posted under the announcements tab through online and within the syllabus. For easy access to the course material, I created a link within the welcome announcement, the first one, and as soon as you click here to start, it will take you to the course material module where you're going to start looking at the lectures, PowerPoints, and other material. There will be no textbook for this course since many resources have been used to create and develop the course material. Actually, I used more than 4 or 5 resources, just textbooks and other related knowledge books that's been created by organization just to develop this course. In addition, I was utilizing lots of publications, articles that's been published by academicians in journals, in conferences. I was trying to give you the overall picture, getting the information from those different resources. The course is online, so all course material will be available for you through the online learning system. Your home page will display the different courses that you are registering for this course or for this semester, where you can click on your course of interest to access course information. I suggest that you navigate through the different tabs to get yourself familiar with course organization so you know each tab, what does it lead to. In addition, I would suggest that you log in at least once every day to stay current with course requirements and changes. With the online, you need to do it frequently and to check on the new updates and announcements. So to view the course material, navigate through the different tabs on the course homepage under Farkun Online. For my course, all course material, including assignments, discussions, quizzes, presentations, lectures, and all supplemental material have been posted under the course content, which will make it easy for you just to go to one tab, which is the content tab, and everything will be there. So you have only the announcement, which will be on the main page, and the content tab, which has all the other links that you need for the course. The modules will be released on weekly basis as the semester progresses. You need to access your online courses daily. That's what I'm concentrating on and encouraging to do. That you need to log in on a daily basis and make sure that you get the latest updates and latest news about the course. Also, you have the due dates, so you have a calendar that will show you the due dates and what will be required to be submitted that week. The syllabus quiz should be completed during the first week, and the syllabus quiz is just an icebreaker that will get you familiar with the course. It's like an initial interaction with the course, and will confirm who's online, who's participating online, and failing to complete the quiz could lead to purging from the course. All students are required to complete a weekly discussion, which should be posted by Sunday of each week. Make every attempt to post your initial response by the middle of the module week. The first week will not include a discussion since we have the quiz, so don't worry about the first week. There is no discussion for the first week, and the discussion posting will start from week 2. So you don't have to worry about the first week. The weekly discussion is to answer the questions posted and reply to at least one of your classmates' post before the end of the submission period. So make sure to reply. Make sure to reply to one of your classmates' posts. This is part of the requirements. The questions should be answered after reviewing the course material. There is no need for a Word document for this assignment or assessment. Just answer the questions within the post itself. If you miss the submission period, your grade for that week will be 0. Although this has been stated before, it will be repeated again in this slide, emphasizing the different communication channels that we have available. You can use the phone, you can use the email, and you can use Skype. For virtual office hours, which are posted online, you can use Skype to communicate with me. You have Skype, the regular Skype. You have Skype for Business. And you can find my email on Skype for Business for Daytona State College. You can also use Microsoft Teams if you have Microsoft 365 on your machine, which being provided by the college. So all these are tools that you can use for virtual office hours. But again, you can use Skype, which is by Microsoft. Even if you don't have an account, you can create an account and add me as one of your contacts to that account. The regular Skype, my ID is professor.yusuf, so you can add me to your contacts. If you are using the business Skype or Skype for Business, then you can actually search for my name under the Skype for Business list and use the school email, and you will find me. Then add me as one of your contacts. Email messages should be written using professional language. Chat or text language will not be accepted. For example, you should not start your email with "Hey," that's not professional. So try to be as professional as possible with writing the email. Students are encouraged to communicate with the instructor as much as possible. The more you communicate with me, if you have any questions, the better understanding for the course material. So you can email me your questions and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Assignment submission should be through Falcon Online. Do not email me any assignment unless you've been asked to do so. Late assignments will not be accepted. Use the following assignment naming format: the assignment number underscore the course number underscore your last name. Points will be deducted from your grade if you did not follow the format. It's very important as engineers and as an IT to submit reports according to requirements and with accuracy. And that's why I'm trying to make it like structured, standardized, so you can follow certain format with consistency in your submission and your reporting. It's good to add your name and email at the top of each page to show that this assignment or this submission is your work. All assignments should be submitted in Microsoft Word or PDF format unless instructed otherwise. The project will be divided into 3 project assignments that should be submitted over the progress of the course. Although students are encouraged to collaborate outside the classroom to discuss the course project, however, all project assignments must be completed and written individually. If you have a question, I prefer that you ask me. I will answer your question. You don't need to discuss it and then copy the information from your peers by mistake and submit a similar assignment. The project report should be submitted in a professional way with the proper grammar and correct spelling. And again, we have a format, the file format for the project assignment. The naming format should be P assignment number. So it's project assignment with the number 1, 2, or 3 underscore the course number underscore your last name. The project guidelines and instructions will be posted under the assignment tab at Falcon Online. There will be 2 exams through the whole semester, midterm and the final. Both exams will have 50 questions, true, false, and multiple choice questions with 2 points each. The final will include all chapters within the course material. It's very important to work and submit all course activities. Having high grades in the exam does not mean that you will pass the course. All activities are designed to complement each other and to assist in the learning process. So you have to complete all required activities for this course. If you have any questions about the grades, email me and I will be more than glad to answer your question. The main goal of the course is to understand the process of integrating different software systems or hardware systems and applications into an organization and the issues that will be associated with the integrating process. And of course, when you submit that, it has to be according to requirements, taking into consideration security, interoperability, business process, documentation and support, testing, and maintenance. After completing this course, we are hoping that you will be able to explain the challenges facing system integration and the methodologies used to integrate these systems. You will understand the organizational and managerial issues related to systems integration. You will also understand the different methods used to create and integrate systems or system within other existing systems. To be able to do that, you will go through the process of collecting and analyzing system requirements, and you will utilize the knowledge that you have to effectively communicate systems integration strategy and methodologies. To understand the integration, we need to understand the concept of systems and systems engineering, and this is what we're going to start with this semester. Part of the understanding is to collect the information of the current system, to look at what we have in the organization. Then we can identify the attributes, characteristics, the requirements, user requirements. We can also identify the different functions, specifications, and then all the collected information will be analyzed and translated into a design for a new adaptable, flexible, and integrated system, which is what we call the architecture, system architecture. The system architecture will show me the different components of the system that we are dealing with, and it will show the interactions between those systems or subsystems, and the interaction of these systems or these components with the environment surrounding that system. We will also address the challenges of systems integration that will be created when you start putting these systems together. In addition, we will learn about the methodologies used to integrate the systems or the subsystems or the component together. Based on the requirements of each system, integration requirements will be also defined and analyzed. Because each one of these systems has requirements, so when you put them together, we have what we call integration requirements that should be also defined and analyzed to make sure that we are putting compatible systems together. As an example of a complex system, we will discuss enterprise resource planning systems and business processes models that will show the organization, the overall organizational system that's been used by many companies, large companies and small companies to communicate or to connect the different subsystems within the company. If we are using a software, you need to use, of course, Microsoft Word and PDF. So those are some of the packages, software packages that you'll need to have on your machine. So make sure to have those software packages. For virtual office hours, you need Skype, and that's from Microsoft. So you can add it as one of the apps, one of the applications on your Windows 10. Both the regular Skype and Skype for Business, you can add both. And then from 365 you can add, or it will include for you, the Microsoft Teams, where you can also use it for communication with the instructor. If we need to use other software packages, I will post it in the announcement, and I will let you know what kind of software you need to download or install or use it on the cloud to complete your assignment. That will be all for this session. If you have any questions, please use the available communication channels to communicate with me, and I will be more than glad to answer your question. Thank you and have a great day.